Hi everyone. I'm going to show you a quick little tool I just developed called SlidePunch. It lets you record audio slide by slide on your presentation decks and export a full video for conferences or lectures. The interface is very simple, your slide in the center, an editable teleprompter on the right, and the slide list on the left. Let's hit record, allow microphone access, and now we can start speaking. Hello everyone, today I'm presenting my research on blah blah blah. Now imagine I just stumbled on a word like I just did. I can just click on the Waveform spectrogram to place the cursor, and punch in resume recording right from there. My research on sobriety through co-design and deep learning, and so on. We can navigate across the slides and record the respective audio takes for each slide. Let's do this quickly. Teaching is at the heart of my activities, blah blah blah. And finally on slide 4, presenting the brain research team. Done. Now we have our 4 audio takes. Once done, I can export the full 1080p MP4 video with perfectly synced audio on every slide. There it is. And now I can open the generated video. You might not hear the desktop audio here, but I guarantee it works smoothly. So it's super simple to use, works directly with any PDF, and it's open source for everyone. See you around.